Good evening, everyone. Wasn't it a mesmerizing performance? Please give a big round of applause. Much louder. Thank you. Namaste and good evening to one and all. It is my proud privilege to deliver the vote of thanks on behalf of Stuti Nrityalaya on this special occasion of our Bharatanatyam annual day, Stuti Nrityotsava 2025, a celebration of rhythm, grace, tradition, and heartfelt dedication. First and foremost, I offer my deepest gratitude to our guests for the day. A very special and warm thank you to our Vidwan Shri Srivatsa sir, whose soulful, divine voice brought life and emotion to every item performed this evening. Please give him a big round of applause. Thank you, sir. Your music did not just accompany the dance, it elevated it. We thank Vidwan Shri Narayan Swami sir for accompanying us on Mridangam, whose rhythmic mastery set the pulse for the entire performance. Thank you, sir. Our heartfelt thanks to Vidwan Shri Mahesh Swami sir for accompanying us on flute, whose melodious playing added a serene and divine dimension to this evening performances. Thank you, sir. Your support and appreciation to art means a lot to all of us, especially the budding dancers who performed today. Thank you again. A sincere thanks to all the parents and families for your dedication and support through the process. Your encouragement and support make all the difference in nurturing these young dancers in the world of Bharatanatyam. Thank you one and all for being here, for making such a large crowd. Thank you. Please give a big round of applause for all of you. Thank you. The performers, if the performers are not thanked, the stage would have not been set. To the performers, each one of you brought stories to life through your expressive abhinaya. Thanks to Suma ma'am. Every child was so expressive. Nobody was without expressions and graceful movements. Your hours of practice and passion were clearly visible on stage. Congratulations on your beautiful performance, children and the ladies. A big thank you for the organizing team, volunteer team of parents, for the person who put on the rangoli in the entrance, the makeup team, hairstyle, the backstage crew, sound and light technicians, photographers, auditorium management, and everyone who worked quietly behind the scenes to make this evening seamless and memorable. Thank you, everyone. And finally, to our audience, how would it have been a success without you all? You made the show. Thank you. Thank you for being with us this evening. Your presence, your applause, your encouragement are what makes performances like this truly meaningful. Thank you, all of you. Heartfelt thanks to Srimati Maitri Rao and her daughter, Kumari Mugdha Pandari, for comparing today's program. Thank you for being the voice that connected each performance so seamlessly. Your graceful narration, clear presentation, and well-timed coordination kept the audience engaged and guided us smoothly through the entire evening. We request Srimati Maitri and Kumari Mugdha to kindly come on stage and receive the token of appreciation. I think it is done. Thank you. So last but not the least, definitely, I want to thank our own teacher, Mrs. Suma Jaideep. Louder. Without whom nothing would have been possible, nothing. There are around 80 children who performed today, and it is not a joke to manage them. I want to sincerely express my gratitude on behalf of all the parents present here. No one could have handled this better than you, ma'am. No one. I think all the parents agree with me. Thanks for all the patience. Thank you for bringing up our children. And I think we as parents are very, very lucky to have you with us. Thank you, ma'am. Let us continue to cherish and promote the timely beauty of Bharatanatyam, and may this evening be etched in our memories with joy and pride. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you one and all. Dhanyavada. Shubharatri.